In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change location in Brave browser. This skill can be incredibly useful for testing website behaviors in different regions or accessing location-specific content. So, let's dive right in. First, you need to launch the Brave browser on your device. Whether you're on a computer or a laptop, make sure the browser is fully loaded. This step is essential because it ensures all the browser features, including developer tools, are fully accessible. Now, navigate to the website where you want to alter your location. This could be any site that uses location services to customize content for you. By choosing the right website, you'll see how location changes affect it in real time. Once you have the site open, press F12. If you're using a Windows computer, you can also press Ctrl, Shift, and I together. For Mac users, Command, Option, and I will do the trick. This combination opens the developer tools, a powerful feature for any web developer. It allows you to manipulate various aspects of a web page, including its location. Next, take a look at the developer tools panel. In the top right corner, you'll see three vertical dots. Click on these dots, but remember, it's the dots in the developer tools panel, not the main browser menu. This distinction is important because it leads you to the right options. From there, hover over the More Tools option. A list will appear, and you should select Sensors from it. This opens a new panel at the bottom of your screen. The Sensors panel is where you can simulate different device conditions, including geographic locations. Now, locate the Location drop-down menu in this Sensors panel. This is where the magic happens. It's your gateway to changing how websites perceive your location. With this dropdown, you can easily choose from various preset locations. You can select from preset locations like London or San Francisco. These are handy for quick changes. Alternatively, if you have specific latitude and longitude coordinates, click on Other to type them in manually. This flexibility allows you to test your site from virtually anywhere in the world. At this point, keep the Developer Tools panel open. Now refresh the web page by clicking the Refresh button on your browser or pressing F5. This step is crucial because it applies the new location settings to the site. With that ready, you should see the changes in how the website behaves or displays content. Changing your location in Brave browser is a straightforward process. It's particularly useful for developers and testers who need to ensure their site works well globally. Remember, keeping the developer tools open is key to maintaining the location change. Now you're all set to explore the web from a different perspective. That's it for today's tutorial on changing your location in Brave browser. I hope this guide was clear and helpful. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more insightful tutorials.